Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Anggun Salsabila with student number 2122 0053. I made this video to fulfill assignment for final project strategi penyusunan dan publikasi karya ilmiah bahasa Inggris. And now I will present about my journal. The title is Improving English Vocabulary of 7th Grade Students through Learning Media Use Flashcard. This is a overview. The first one is abstract, the second one is introduction, and the third one is methodology. The fourth one is findings and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. It is about abstract. This article is written to describe the improvement of English vocabulary of grade 7 students through learning media use flashcard. Through quantitative methods, the data collected show that flashcards can improve English vocabulary. Having a large memory of vocabulary is one of the skills in English that must be mastered. To improve the skill, one must practice frequently as it has the benefit of improving the ability to remember. And the next slide is about introduction. Vocabulary mastery will affect students' understanding in making sentences, understanding contents, and explanation in English. Learning English vocabulary will be more effective and fun if supported by media and learning methods that match the characteristic of students. There are many techniques that can be used to improve students' ability to master vocabulary. One of them is the use of flashcard media, which is expected to help a student understand vocabulary in an interesting way. The research focus on English vocabulary development for 7th grade students. And the next slide is about methodology. The research method, I use qualitative research method. The subject of this study were 7th grade students in SMP 2 Cisarua, and the design used is sequential exploratory design. And the instrument of the research, I use the first one is non-test. I use interview and observation, and the second one is test. I use pre-test and post-test. And the next slide is about findings. The research finding reveals that using flashcard as a learning medium has a significant impact on improving the vocabulary mastery of 7th grade students. Observations and interviews with students highlight the following key results. The first one is increased student engagement. The second one is enhanced vocabulary retention. And the third one is improve classroom participation. And the last one is support for diverse learning styles. Okay, the first is increase student engagement. The use of colorful and interactive flashcards spark enthusiasm among students during vocabulary lesson. For most students, report that they found learning vocabulary with flashcard more enjoyable and less monotonous compared to traditional methods. And the second one is enhanced vocabulary retention. Students demonstrate improved ability to recall and use new vocabulary word introduced through flashcard. Teachers observed that the visual aids and repetition associated with flashcard activities help solidify students' memory of the new word. The third one is improve classroom participation. The interactive nature of flashcard encourage even the less active students to participate in class activities. Group games involving flashcards uh, fostered collaborative learning and a sense of competition that motivates students. And the last one is support for diverse learning styles, uh, including visual and kinesthetic learners. Students who struggle with traditional text-based vocabulary learning found it too easier to connect with the material through visual and textile elements. And the next slide is discussion. The result show that a flashcard is an effective learning media to improve grade 7 students' English vocabulary comprehension and retention. The majority of students felt more interest in learning use flashcard than traditional method such as reading books or memorizing vocabulary list. And the last one is conclusion. The study conclude that using flashcard as a learning medium is an effective and engaging strategy to improve the vocabulary mastery of 7th grade students. Flashcard provide a dynamic and interactive learning experience, making vocabulary acquisition more enjoyable and less monotonous. The visual of flashcard enhance student ability to recall and use new vocabulary, fostering better retention and active participation in the classroom. Furthermore, the use of flashcard accommodate diverse learning styles, benefiting both visual and kinesthetic learners. Despite some initial challenges, such as preparation time and the need for creative application, the advantages outweigh the drawback. Flashcard not only supports student vocabulary. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.